Now the topic is electrophilic substitution reaction in case of benzene. Okay. So benzene is contains 6 pi electrons. So pi electron rich. So electron rich. So hence it is acts as a nucleophile. Electron having negative charge. Electron having negative charge. Hence it is act as nothing but negative charge. Nucleophile having negative charge. Why? Due to presence of 6 pi electrons. Like this, benzene, alkanes also contain pi electron. Due to this, alkane, benzene acts due to presence of pi electron. These are acts as a nucleophile. Nucleophile nothing but negative charge. Negative charge. Why means negative charge? Due to presence of pi electrons. When these are acts as a nucleophile, these are attacked by electrophile. Electrophile having positive charge. So there is a reaction between negative and positive charge. It is a nucleophile having negative charge pi electrons. These pi electrons are attacked by electrophile. Electrophile is electron loving. This electrophile having positive charge in order to love the electrons present in benzene. So that's why benzene undergoes electrophilic, attacked by electrophile. Electrophilic. Why the substitution reaction means? Why benzene will undergo substitution reaction means? Benzene having pi bonds. Even though benzene having pi bonds, it will not undergo addition reaction. Why means? Why benzene not undergoes addition reaction means? If there is addition if benzene undergoes addition reaction, there is a formation of cyclohexane like this. There is a formation of cyclohexanes. So in order to preserve the aromaticity, the benzene undergoes substitution reaction instead of addition reaction. Substitution reaction is just elimination of one hydrogen. Substitution reaction, one hydrogen is there. This is replaced by one electrophile like this. So the pi bonds are not at all removed in case of benzene in order to preserve aromaticity. Why we need to preserve the aromaticity? Nothing but all the aromatic compounds are more stable. Hence we need to preserve the aromaticity of benzene. That's why benzene undergoes substitution reaction but not undergoes addition reaction. So this is about electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. So benzene is attacked by electrophile. So what are the different electrophiles we can generate? So what are the kinds of electrophiles that will attack on the benzene? First, in case of nitration, what will happen? Concentrated sulfuric acid. We need to take concentrated sulfuric acid and HNO2, nitric acid. What will happen? Sulfuric acid structure this is, nitric acid structure this is. Okay, this is acidic in nature. Acid and sulfuric acid. Nitric this is also acidic in nature, but in case of concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid, this is acts as a proton donor. Sulfuric acid is more acidic than this one. Hence, this will donate the proton to this. So what will happen? See, this contains oxygen, two lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons attack on the positive charge, delta positive charge containing hydrogen. Okay, what will happen? See, this hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen proton donor. This is proton acceptor. This proton goes onto this oxygen atom. Okay, there is a formation of hydronium ion. Now the OH is a not good living group. OH is not good living group. Hence, how can we remove OH? Means just by supplying the proton from sulfuric acid. Then it is converted into hydronium ion. When it is converted into hydronium ion, then it is a good living group. Okay. Remove as a water. See, good living group hydronium ion. This will remove and leads to formation of water. And this NO2 is formed. In case of NO2, what will happen? Due to resonance, this pi electron present on the oxygen taken by this oxygen atom, negative charge, positive charge. This oxygen having two lone pair of electrons, one extra pair, 8 electrons, octet, stable. So oxygen will not react, but nitrogen will react. Why? Means see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electrons are there. 4 into 2 So this nitrogen is there. Nitrogen containing positive charge means electron deficient. Electron deficient means this is acts as a electrophile. See in this case 1, 2, 3. 3 into 2 is equals to 6 electrons. So it needs 2 electrons in order to fulfill the octet configuration. Incomplete octet configuration. So it needs 2 electrons. So electron deficient. Hence it is acts as a electrophile. Electron deficient. Hence it is acts as a electrophile. See positive charge indicating electron deficient. Why the positive charge present on the nitrogen is due to resonance effect. This oxygen is not reactive because oxygen contains 8 electrons, so octet is stable. But nitrogen is more reactive, acts as electrophile due to electron deficient. Likewise, in case of sulfonation, fuming H2SO4 is there. Fuming H2SO4. What will happen? This is degraded into water and SO3. SO3, see SO3 is converted into SO3 structure is like that. 3 oxygen atom are there. This oxygen will take 5 electron like this. Same octet, 8 electrons are there in case of oxygen. 8 electrons, so octet is more stable. Oxygen is stable here. But what about sulfur? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 electrons. Still it is, see this indicating electron deficient. Indicating electron deficient. So it is profile. Positive charge indicate electron deficient. See, negative charge is there, positive charge is there. Why this positive charge is more reactive? Why sulfur is reactive? Why oxygen is not reactive? Means oxygen contains 8 electrons. But in case of sulfur, it contains 3 electrons, not it contains 10 electrons. P orbital, hence it needs 8 electrons to fill our configuration. 8 electrons is stable. This is sulfur contains D orbital, it needs 10 electrons. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 2, 10 electrons. So, but it is electron deficient. Still it is electron deficient. Okay. Sulfur is electron deficient. See positive charge indicating electron deficient. Hence it is acts as a electrophile. Next one is chlorine. Halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. What will happen? All these components react with AlCl3. See different. Cl2, AlCl3, RH2, AlCl3 like this. In the AlCl3, empty orbital, empty D orbital. Aluminum contain AlCl3 contain empty D orbital. So this lone pair of electron given to this orbital. Then there is a formation of coordinate covalent bond. When this will donate the electron to this aluminum, then this chlorine become positive charge. This chlorine become positive charge. When this chlorine become positive charge, then it will take electron readily from this chlorine. So then it makes this chlorine as a positive charge, electrophile like this. See RX compounds contain no lone pair is then this atom gets positive charge. Once this atom gets positive charge, then this R group is formed, that is electrophilic in nature. This is electrophilic in nature. Likewise, this is acylation. In case of acylation, RCOX is there. This X group contains lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron is donated to the empty orbitals present in AlCl3. Then what will happen? Then this get positive charge. Then this positive charge chlorine take the electron from the carbon, leads to the formation of profile, that is this one. So this undergoes halogenation. This is under Friedel-Crafts. This undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation. Why? The formation of profile. Electrophile nothing but electron deficient. How these are formed means due to presence of AlCl3. AlCl3 contains empty orbitals. So the lone pair present on this atom donated to the orbital containing AlCl3. Then this atom get positive charge. When this atom get positive charge, they will take electron from this nearby atom or adjacent atom, leads to the formation of electrophiles. So this undergo halogenation, this compound undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation.